What's up, guys? I got a new mod for my Alfa Romeo Giulia. If you're probably wondering, Edge, what mod did you get? There's nothing different about the car. Well, you're right, because the mod's right over here. I got the quadrifoglio spoiler lid to put on my trunk. It's gonna make the car look a lot nicer. These small little details make the biggest change in the look of the car. Like I talked about the tints earlier, adding the little lid over there is gonna make it look a lot more unique, a lot more aggressive, and more towards a quadrifoglio. But first, I gotta clean the car. One, the car is filthy. Two, the dust here is gonna make the adhesion for the lid weaker, which might not make a good stick on the trunk. So I gotta first clean it, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to install the lid. Alright, I'm gonna give it a quick wash, and I'll be right back, guys. Alright, guys, so the car's clean. Just gave it a quick wash. Time to install the wing on the back. I haven't really looked up how to do it, but it's pretty self-explanatory. You have 3M tape here. You're going to take off the tape. It's a strong adhesive, and you're going to stick it up on here, and you're just going to make sure it's lined up properly, because I feel like this is a one-shot, one-opportunity deal, because if you stick it on wrong, taking it off, it's going to weaken the adhesive when you're putting the lid on. So let's give it a try. So there's no dust, very minimal dust here, and time to put it on. So just taking it off. It's a satisfying feeling. Okay, so try to make sure it's lined up properly. Let's see. Ooh. Make sure. I think I got it. Yeah, I think I got it pretty nice. Let's see. What do you guys think? Did I do a pretty good job? Alright, guys, if you guys like this video, give a big thumbs up, share, and subscribe. More content coming out soon.